Imagine two friends graduating college on the same day, landing identical jobs with the exact same starting salary. Fast forward 20 years. One sleeps soundly with quiet investments growing, while the other is drowning in compounding debt and living paycheck to paycheck. This divergence happens through small, intentional financial decisions repeated thousands of times over 2 decades. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to build a complete 90-day roadmap that takes you from wherever you are right now to a system that tracks, that protects against risk, and grows your money automatically. To begin, you only need 3 basic tools: your bank login, a simple notebook or spreadsheet, and your transaction history from the last 30 days. Establishing this baseline system allows you to stop money from dictating your daily life and redirect it toward your long-term goals. Step 1 begins with a 30-day cash flow audit. Before we can direct where your money should go, we have to measure exactly where it is currently going. You cannot improve what you refuse to measure. Sit down with your statements and tally every single expense. When you add up the forgotten subscriptions, the frequent food deliveries, and the small impulse buys, those tiny transactions quietly consume a surprisingly large number at the end of the month. Observe this total number without judgment. We are simply establishing an honest baseline to work from. This diagram illustrates our next step, moving from tracking to intentional planning using the 50-30-20 guideline. You aim to allocate roughly 50% of your income to essential needs, 30% to personal wants, and 20% to savings and investments. Notice the word guideline. If you live in an expensive city, your housing costs might push your needs past 50%. If you are aggressively paying off debt, your savings slice might temporarily shrink. Your budget should adapt to your specific situation. Budgeting gives every dollar a clear purpose, replacing restriction with intention and eliminating the anxiety of wondering if you can afford your lifestyle. Step 3 focuses on the timing of your saving. Adopt the habit of paying yourself first, routing money toward your goals before a single bill is paid or discretionary purchase is made. Leaving excess money sitting in your primary checking account makes it incredibly easy to spend. Frictionless access almost always leads to impulsive purchases. To fix this, log into your banking app and schedule a recurring, automatic transfer to your savings account. Set this transfer to execute on the exact day your paycheck arrives. By setting up this automatic routing, you remove the need for monthly willpower. This automated system ensures the consistency required to build wealth. Now we move to step 4. Constructing your financial defense. Before taking risks, save 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses in a stable, easily accessible, high-yield account. This emergency fund acts as a financial shock absorber, allowing you to quickly deflect inevitable surprises like medical bills or sudden car repairs without derailing your life. With your cash buffer in place, evaluate your liabilities. Some borrowing, like a reasonable education loan or a mortgage, can improve your future, but high-interest credit card debt will actively destroy it. If you are carrying credit card balances with 20% interest or higher, paying that down is your absolute highest priority. The cost of that debt grows far faster than most realistic investment returns. Finish your defensive perimeter by consistently paying your bills on time to establish a strong credit reputation and securing the necessary health, vehicle, and property insurance. This defensive layer ensures that a single stroke of bad luck, a sudden illness, or an accident cannot force you into debt and wipe out years of hard work. Step 5 shifts your focus to the wealth offense. This means opening a tax-advantaged account and putting your money to work in broad, diversified index funds that capture the growth of the overall market. Stock markets experience temporary downturns. Accepting these fluctuations as normal and refusing to panic sell when they happen protects your long-term returns. This chart demonstrates the core engine of investing, compound growth. As your initial investment generates returns, those returns eventually begin generating their own returns, creating an exponential upward curve over a 20-year timeline. Regular automated deposits combined with compounding interest cause your total wealth to accelerate rapidly. As your wealth grows, you must avoid the trap of lifestyle inflation. When you get a raise at work, invest a significant portion of that new money instead of immediately upgrading your spending to match your higher salary. Time is an investor's greatest structural advantage. Starting early and maintaining consistent participation yields better results than trying to predict perfect market conditions. In 90 days, you have transitioned from financial uncertainty to a fully functioning system. You track your cash flow, allocate funds with a flexible budget, automate your savings, maintain a strong defensive net, and consistently fund your active investments. Schedule a brief review of the system once a month. As your income changes and your life circumstances evolve, make minor adjustments to your automated transfers to keep everything aligned. Financial freedom is constructed brick by brick through daily, intentional habits. Foundational daily systems determine what you do with your income and whether you ultimately secure your financial independence.